Hi everyone, it's Anita here. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am bringing you another conditioner review. This time it is the Junkie Curl Rehab Moisturizing Treatment. This hair treatment retails at about $20 and I purchased this one from naturallycurly.com and I have the strawberry ice cream scent. On Junkie's website, this conditioner is described as a rich moisturizing treatment that is 98% naturally derived and formulated to rejuvenate and restore your curls. It also says on the website that this can be used as a leave-in, but I've only used it as a deep conditioner. Some of the key ingredients in this treatment are aloe vera juice, shea butter, cocoa butter, and kawasu butter. So the texture of this conditioner is not super thick at all. It is very lightweight. I kind of think of it as a pudding texture. And it smells like strawberries, but it smells like, to me it smells like chocolate covered strawberries, and I think that is the cocoa butter that I'm smelling in this. It smells very good. It's a very light scent, so you don't have to worry about it being too overpowering. This conditioner applied very easily to my hair. I didn't have any issues distributing it or getting it to spread all over. But I did have some issues with detangling, which I thought was very strange because as I put it in my hair, it felt like it was going to have a ton of slip. But once I went to detangle, I had a hard time. I actually had to stop recording myself applying it to my hair so that I could just really take my time to detangle it to make sure that I got all of the knots out of my hair. Once I finally got my hair detangled, I sat under my hooded steamer for about 20 minutes. And I did notice that it felt like it had a lot more slip when I rinsed it out in the shower. So when I rinse my conditioners out in the shower, I detangle it some more. So at that step, I definitely felt like this had more slip. I think that is going to be one of those conditioners that when I use it, I'll have to apply it, deep condition with it, and then detangle my hair afterwards. Once I finally got this rinsed out, my hair was soft and moisturized. It didn't leave behind any residue, and I didn't have any problems applying my styling products after. So overall, I think this hair treatment is okay. I would expect to be a little more blown away for a treatment that is $20. I will definitely continue to use this so that I can play around with it and figure out the best way to use this for my hair. But right now I can't say that I would purchase it again. I did forget to mention earlier that on the website it said that this is great for curly hair in dry climates. So, I don't know, maybe I'll sort of put this on the back shelf and then use it again in the summer because it is very dry in the summer where I live, so who knows. Maybe if I try it then I will get different results. And that's it for this review. As always, I thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comments below. And if you've used this moisturizing treatment, let me know what you thought of it. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.